What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, we are gonna run through that one here quick and fast. So we have Cheese, my people, come back on the scene, and Tun Rochelle. You know, say Rochelle and K at it, my people. And K come back for Rochelle. Tun Rochelle is a bunch of hole in Ishagua, my people, and we're about to share it with Uno. I wanna know say anyway the Lion Man and Jawas link up and no nothing good. We are gonna share that with Uno. We also have Ride or Die, you know what I mean, kick off with Shay, I think, and people, it's a bunch of things. I don't even remember everything, so we're gonna just jump in it right now, quick and fast. I deal with that one here.
I want you blocking for Kizzy. She make the girl talk more. Cause something she looking at the blood clot here. Yes, he changed his name to Pretty Sensation.
Yeah, she can't come over here, so you don't want them crosses over my part.
Block the girl yet.
She bothered. Let me mute her
Dirty girl, I just come from Mexico. How me not? Dirty girl, I just come from Mexico. But me not travel. Dirty girl, I just come.
Listen, now make she go on now.
I have a flight to Jamaica. I have a flight to blood clot Jamaica next month. Dirty girl, who not travel? But just come from Mexico, stink cold girl. I just come from Mexico, girl. Girl, I just come from Cancun. I just come from Mexico, stink cold, girl. Who not travel? I just come from Mexico.
Come over me, cause I don't want
I just come from blood clot, Mexico. Who not travel? In what Ivany? Who not travel? I just come from Mexico. Me and my best friend. Where the location there? Cancun, Mexico. I just come from Mexico, stink cold, girl. I just come from Mexico. Me have a dirty girl, watch me. Watch me, dirty girl, next month. Watch me. Watch girl who no blood clot travel. Watch me next month, dirty girl. Watch me next month. You think some careless like you? You think some careless like you? Me have legit job, dirty girl. You think some girl with legit blood clot city job? You think say girl will legit city job can just take up themselves and just travel and sell pussy like you over the globe? No, bitch.
Just sell pussy and now make no sense.
I sell pussy all over the globe.
And now make no sense. Me over there now.
You
never did know.
Like that. But just come from blood clot. New York AIDS scare, come suck out the AIDS out of me. Come suck out you out of me. All you need is one blood clot ghost suck you out of me. Come suck you out of me.
Kim, where you had the dirty suck good salt girl for? Where you had the dirty salt suck good girl for? Eh? Watch out with the cocky with flag like flag.
Cheese, go home, Cheese. I'm worried about your health.
Yeah, worry about you. Hey, you want to be my chat? You want to be my chat?
Cheese,
come here.
Go home. I'm worried about your health.
You stink of blood clot.
You're wicked, cause
you're rotten up pussy clot. Don't worry about your pussy with a poop.
You want one of the pill them will prove that you take a Jamaica.
Your pussy come like a batty hole. It's 14. Yeah.
Cheese need help and you got to give her the help.
Your pussy need help first. His ears go by your pussy.
But me more sense.
Yeah, but you in America, you know, ban your asylum, you file for you put yourself in so much problem. Every minute you have to close the destruction of property and
my man they not report me.
Oh, you mean the internet has seen? Ivany.
The internet has seen, but my man not report
me. Ivany, you don't know the American system will build a case against and then control it out. Ivany, remember me used to work in the security forces and then people
remember said Cheese get like
listen up, Ivany, these bitches will build a case on you and just can't come through it in front of you when the time is right.
Yeah. Right, but remember said Cheese, them catch Cheese at thief aisle in a store.
I also steal 2 weeks. I also steal the Bath and Body Works where your teeth too.
And then Cheese and big one go on teeth in mission, teeth spray and the things them in a store.
You remember this where your teeth stinking?
And she put it on big one, say a big one.
And you say you're a top girl.
Every day you come with
you
spray.
You say you're a top girl. You remember this?
You spray your mouth.
Let
me see your belly since you breathe.
You can't call nobody thief. People look at cash up.
When me a thief, not petty thief. Me thief with
you thief from the poor. Ivany, you
Let me
never
see
keep
belly.
a blood clot spray.
Yes, I breed. Let me see belly.
Me ask you if you never keep me spray.
Not a belly. I be a body man.
Nasty stinking pussy girl. You never teeth my spray.
Why you go breed again?
Rotten that.
I know
You
my
not
belly
teeth
can't
my
grow, but
bottom
the
body
belly
red
not.
spray.
From when
Dog
you breed
shit,
and the
yo.
belly still
Ivany,
stuck. What the belly there?
Not
Not a belly.
belly
What
has
a
nothing to
liar,
do with
so
you.
good, girl.
My belly has nothing to do with you. Suck and
Boy,
spit
you
out
breed. You
Guinness
think
seed.
you mean?
You're coming
And me
like
alone
straight
can come
cane
over here and
trash.
breed and TikTok my pitney. You know,
No,
get up the
you're
mind
mad.
in there.
I'm not like you. I got a baby father. You
You
never
know what the
had
blood
a
Ivany, you
clot
don't
you
say
want
that
me to
out
say?
your
You
mouth.
see my
your
type
baby
of
father
cheese?
need depend on TikTok. So
What the
leave
blood
it to
You
clot you
wife.
want
don't
me to
have
say?
no baby
What the blood
father
clot you
life.
want
Your
me to
baby
say?
daddy leave you to
Anybody
the
will breed
wife.
you
Jesus, what am I
wicked
I
talking?
to.
am not like you. You're a
Anybody will
beggar.
breed you wicked to.
You is a beggar, Ivany.
Everybody beg
You're
for
so
Friend of
TikTok.
this
hungry.
girl? Me
Sit
friend of
here.
this girl? Look at
Everybody
my
beg
blood
for
clot,
Shrimp.
blood.
TikTok.
Look at my
I'm
blood
poor.
Me
clot,
a video
blood.
where you
That's
usually
like a
beg
blood
to.
Oh yeah,
clot
oh
cook
yeah,
today.
my mouth
What are
far.
you cooking?
And
Rich
that
Oh
alone
girl.
you
yeah, who
have
can
in your
talk?
house.
Rich
Who can
hungry
talk?
And
And
that
she
bitch.
share
alone you have in
knowledge.
your house.
And
What
she
are you
share
cooking?
knowledge. Cause the bitch
Cheese,
come over here and
what?
now say A and a B to me. You think some me go sit down kill up myself over blood clot, suck pussy, dry pussy, half
Ivany
dead pussy
pussy.
girl?
Ivany pussy sting. I pussy stink like
How much
rubbish
am I
sting.
get with
Yes,
cheese?
you
Cheese
are.
need the
Get
help.
no sucking.
Cheese.
King right there so
Move your
Yes,
say
you
blood
need the
suck
help. What
clot.
me
it
can
and
I
it a
stop
fuck
Cheese
at
up.
all,
blood. I
Ivany?
get a pussy
Oh.
one
King say your pussy
IV.
first smell funny. After you
Cheese,
Pussy
bitch.
go
dry, no
home.
cream,
After
nothing,
you
I have on the
bitch.
pussy.
Cheese, what is your
After you
PayPal?
dirty
Right
whore.
outside. Spread a
After you
whoop.
dirty bitch.
All age a catch cheese,
After
oh
you dirty
God.
Can't
bitch.
silent me a
Your
blood
old age
clot.
just stand up on
Silent
me.
Oh
fool.
God, cheese,
Now look
all
at
age
Pussy
a
the
you.
catch you.
Ivany.
Ivany, take off your wig.
All
Natural.
age a
Take off your
catch
wig
But
and your
cheese.
Ivany,
eyelash and make me see
Ivany,
your
you know say
true
and
Me
cheese
not
beauty.
favor
run it.
when you're not
But
Ivany
cheese
with
warmer
them.
than me. Me can't
I
No,
one
Alright,
girl
take off
on
your
it.
wig
Cheese
Ivany.
then.
anger
Take
big
off
me up
your
me
wig.
You
shut
have
up.
warmer,
Cause when
I
your
warmer.
ear
sue my
full up and
time.
Me
stuff and
I
can
you
sue
don't
never.
my
want
Warmer,
to
blood
I
listen.
clot
charge you
and
a
you
$50
shut the
to
fuck
do
up.
my wig. I'm
Stuck a
take it off
cocky
a
down your
piece
blood
dirty
clot
You have
shit.
cheese.
warmer, you
Cheese,
have
stop push out the
warmer.
belly cause you know you're not breed. You're naturally
Yeah,
born with big
yeah.
belly.
And you alone can breed dirty sucker.
Blood
Dirty, tiny,
clot,
and
the
tiny
girl a breed
sucker.
for
You alone can
true.
breed.
My
Yeah,
God,
yeah,
cheese.
yeah, yeah. You alone
Oh,
can
you
breed
really
dirty
gonna get
sucker.
pregnant?
Go suck your
From
mother.
now partially, you know, if me go down, you go down too.
So then you go stay.
If me go, you go too. Nobody think that
Oh,
you
but
have
you
big
remember me
belly
come
trump
here
a
before me say you have
partial
to go
you.
before me.
Sparkle,
Oh
come
God, cheese
load
on your
out, come
paper.
map
Me I
out
send you
your tongue out
$500 right
underneath.
now.
Sparkle, go blow some blood clot secretion and a dry pussy, gal, yeah. Go blow some secretion and a dry pussy, gal, yeah. Cause the pussy they dry, the pussy.
People, tell me what you think in the comment section. Cheese and Ivany situation here. Hey, my people, one thing me have to say about Ivany. See, Ivany is a lucky salt girl. Ivany will salt you up, but in lucky you fuck. Big man thing. Let me know one thing.
pussy
You want
As
left
friend
we
of
were
hey,
saying,
girl, I say you
blood
love big friend, you
hospital.
know. You come
as
and
we
you
were
get
Dry
500
saying,
pussy
with
gal
your
I
cheese.
pussy
walk
turn
around with
back. Cause your
You
nothing.
friend
want
you looking at
$500
Ivany.
cheese?
Me know you too
Go
good.
help her, go
Dirty
spit
whore.
now. Get
Cheese,
some
you
whipped
want
cream and go
$500?
blow another
You
stink
give
out
it to your
pussy gal,
mother.
yeah.
You not send 5 go to your
Get
mother.
some
Me I
whipped
go
Me
give
cream,
you.
some
send 1,000
ice
go give her 2
cream.
days
You
ago.
too
I
And
lie,
don't
go
show the
blow
want them.
another
receipt.
stink hole, gal, yeah.
Liar.
Them
Cause
say
our
help each one
pussy
help
our
one.
bull frog,
Liar.
pussy dry out.
If you give me $500, you're a mama ton man with beard. You lie
Send me
like
a
sure.
PayPal then.
Send your mother it. You couldn't get my PayPal for lock it down so good, girl.
Why me
And
da
that's
lock
you
it down?
want. You want to send me the $500 and then report me
Why me
for
da
push
want
Obstruction.
up
down a
my
PayPal
pussy.
when you
Me
can't
about
Friend
under
you look.
PayPal?
Ivany. Me about under
Friend you look. I don't
Ivany.
want your
Go
$500.
blow a
Big
blood
old
clot
girl.
secretion in our stink
No,
I
if
don't
hole.
me ever
want
you say me
it.
walk
No
and look
cream
friend
in
yet.
our blood
You have
clot
friend you look.
hole.
I don't
No
Ivany,
walk and look
cream.
friend bed.
You
Ivany, you
miss me.
can't
You
keep
not
my
go for
Yes,
sister
I me
bodies.
a
If
girl.
me
sticker,
want,
yeah.
Rude,
Watch
you not
me
go
the
for
for my
bodies.
page.
if me want
Yeah,
friend
give me
Chicken
cheese, me
wings
tell
and
engagement.
cheese
dance
straight
hotel.
up.
You
So
not go
cheese
for
me
My
want
right
bodies.
to
friend
be
fry.
stinker, yeah. Watch me there on my page. I give me engagement. Thank you. Thank you for the blood clot engagement. Oh, yeah, give me over blood clot, yes, so.
What is going
Thank
on here?
you. Fucking
Cheese
thank
block this
you.
person.
Go suck
The
your
only
mama.
blood clot thing I go on there, so. Are your pussy when in secretion?
Cheese block
Your
nice
pussy need some
person.
milk.
Let me hear you talk.
Dirty girl. You have to milk on bodies.
Your pussy needs some
I'm
milk
waiting on
tonight.
you to come. Black this
Oh
girl.
God, I want it so bad. I need that.
But you can't come. You're not going to
I
catch
need
belly.
that.
Pussy need milk.
I need that with you.
But you're going to catch belly, so how you going up on bodies?
What? Natalie, I'm 42, so how you mean? Natalie,
Everybody
Listen,
different.
star. You still a listen to me.
But Natalie no much
Three
younger.
times I get called for body.
Somewhere else where them
2
mute
weeks
me.
ago,
Over blood
2
clot,
weeks ago,
Ivany.
them post up something on them and me put in my video and get called again. And them I keep bodies in the Dominican Republic. I cannot go out.
You're not telling
That's
them
too
to get no
light.
papers.
Thinking
yet.
all
Cannot travel.
But it's USA no.
Me not have them. Them have them cars already, bitch.
I'm stuck
People them
I
have them
need that
cars.
with you.
That makes sense.
I want that with you.
Skin me out and lick me out. That makes blood clot
Just remember
sense.
that.
Me
I'm
no
gonna
make
punch
sense
you like
but
a
them
punching
skin me out
bag.
and lick me out. That makes sense right now.
What's that? I want
I
that.
just hear something. I don't see
I
anybody.
want that with you.
Bad.
Alright.
You still a watch me. Come
You
shut
can't say
the
me never
blood
tell
clot up. You
This
still a
are
blood
yours.
clot watch
Come
me.
put your blood clot face. I'm gonna get you hard like chicken that.
Why I never thought the girl when they do a fight out of the
No, they were too much.
Ivany. Ivany blood clot. Ivany mute me so why over my page.
want
The
this
girl them,
you.
the girl them.
I want you to sign the paper.
Ivany,
None of
come
us
here.
can use no
Why make you
weapon.
never bother
I need
beat
that.
triple apple fish fry? Why you never beat triple?
First thing first, I didn't say I was gonna beat Miss Triple. Uno, I put that promise me I gonna beat the girl. Never out of my mouth, me say me that go fight anybody.
None me nah no blood
Never
clot.
out of my mouth. Even the people that wanna like me can agree to that. I didn't say I was gonna fight her. Me say me that go argue something. Uno, I say me want fight the
So
lady.
why you never go?
And then when Uno I say what I say, she said, you the feel agitator, not man, and people that chat about fight or whatever. And Apple say, Barney, leave triple and a bother with that. You come at the fish fry, come support me, come at the fish fry, come support me.
You couldn't do triple nothing.
I didn't even see triple at the fish fry.
I wish you triple do.
Well, if you want to ask a girl something, you go fight.
no,
I
no,
got
control
the
them.
information for you today and tell them you need serious help. You have to go home, cheese. When you're there at Jamaica, you live a better life.
Let me show you something.
Show me. Drunk
Go
for
sit
that
down.
shit.
Go sit down, cheese.
Me don't know which man wicked enough to fuck you.
You see this? USCIS. Read this at the bottom. Dirty ass bitch.
I can't
Read
see.
that.
Turn the camera, bitch.
Read it.
Cheese, go
Read
sit
it.
down and stop.
If you were
and stop
smart
the
enough,
people
you would have
stop
flipped
fire
it
back.
down.
No, no,
I'm
no,
gonna do
no.
that right now, dirty
Come
ass.
suck out underneath me.
Cheese,
Come
take
make
up
him
your
make
documents
blood
where you
clot
proof for the
sense. Come
internet.
suck
You don't make
out
Ivany
underneath
and
me.
dry out. You can't make
No,
Ivany
me
dry
you
out.
tie on the cam blood clot here or over here. One over our blood clot page now. One over our blood clot page.
You must
put blood
obtain
clot
advance
milk in our
parole
pussy.
for
Dry
temporary
pussy.
protection
Pussy
status.
one need blood clot
Are you
IV.
reading this, bitch?
One over our blood clot page
Are you
now.
reading this, dumbass?
One over there.
Leave me pussy,
No
leave.
blood clot
Okay.
shame. Come on.
Leave when your mother
No
blood
shame in the game.
clot.
One skin out. I want to come and lick me out.
Your friend.
5,000
No
people
one
over
skin
here.
out. I want to come and lick me out. No one skin out. I want to come lick me out. You know
Couldn't
people
make she see
can't
what
fuss
she
me.
can see.
Fuck.
Cheese can
See,
make
the
you
important
You
see your
part is
cheese,
that
let me tell you, let me mute that. You see cheese people, cheese are somebody will approve a pint of people and then she regret it.
That's
And
when
then
you
then
believe.
catch her the narrow way and
Come
put
on,
her up to
come
the
give me
people
some
we keep
blood
poor. She
clot,
love come show
idiot.
documents
Well,
and
I'm
show things to the
pussy now,
internet.
blood clot,
And then when the
idiot.
people then
Me
can't
want
have the
to
right to
get
show the
blood
people with
clot,
it.
blood
And she not look how she wicked for her. That's why she not gonna like me now. Because if I tell her the truth, you can't make Ivany dry out to show your documents for live.
Are you still a watch me? Are you still a typing on my chat?
Look who you make a dry out. Ivany and Kevin this fucking real. And I say I told Ivany. We could have never taken myself out
Engagement.
we could have check up myself say me a cuss with Ivany and Ivany make me a show that
Get no blood.
Ivany could
Me
be
still a blood clot
Go
engagement.
Go on to Jamaica.
Some ever go blood clot be
I kill me
relevant.
because I show me documents. Ivany.
You see anybody thinking to come to
And
the
everybody
United
let the blood
States
clam,
of
I don't want
America to live?
When
Yeah,
I
boy,
stood
now
for
use you as
Ivany
an
get locked
example.
up.
Who
And
are
Ivany
married?
come pan live and
Who
cut
are
up man
blood
clothes.
clam
Ivany look like she have a carry
Use
this world.
cheese as an example before you come to America.
Ivany they are church that you are not sure name up herself as much as I can't
Ivany,
see. Ivany but Ivany not name up her. Them me could have name up myself with Ivany they start to me. Alright, in a life and come back.
Report right there. She don't make sense. Take her off.
And come back right or die.
Never go
Can't
married.
blood clot.
Ivany
Never go blood
sleep
clot
good.
married. Cause me, no
I'm sleeping good. You know why Kim had a
report
Ask Terrell and then ask Terrell, ask me ex. Somebody husband
You know, sister, I troll Ivany.
Report her harassment.
Cheese, you are pregnant. Stop name up yourself because I troll Ivany and said, Ivany, why you pregnant?
Take my money.
Cheese, you're not
That's what I'm talking about. Me no
Come
want
right
no
there, guys.
husband.
Cheese.
Man, a
Report right there for harassment.
Man,
and
a
bullying.
embarrassment. Cause the man
Why
just
with
shoot
them
my
two?
fucking
Ivany.
life. Them are restrict
Report her
fucking
for
life.
harassment and bullying.
King. Them are
Go on with them. You don't pay rent it.
Them are restrict fucking life.
Report
So we are also now. You want to the boy that Miami can fall come on Atlanta.
Report her for harassment and bullying. Make sure.
Alright, later Ivan can remember me and a friend later.
Man, the things them. Right. So the pussy girl, all them are dirty word,
Yo.
and the things them. What about you give me bun?
No, two of my
Put the
sisters.
pussy over here now.
No.
Eh?
I'm a two of my sisters. Nobody with it. No.
Them a girl, a dirty girl. What about me husband? A long time I don't see you.
Yeah, come there, I do the right. You're thinking more cheese, like if the cheese makes Nicki Minaj money. You thinking
Yeah,
more
not to say I come and take him friend in class, Nicki Minaj, he look hungry over there.
And the talk about say human to
me tell him say for go home, look. Go home, cheese, go home.
What make you not go on home? Why my breed for me?
I'll make a screenshot.
I tell people why my breed, him look in stinking mouth. Cheese figure out and stop do that you to people. He make foreign look bad. People like them, they make nobody know and come and find.
He need to go on home in my ride.
The people, I see him. So when Rosealee have the media, what they you know, wicked, you know, Ivany, why everybody and why done Rosealee rain and start rain on top, you know, and it look like I same thing Ivany up to again, cause see they know cheese, Shay, everybody want war with you know. But a female and still, cause them say the internet a fame, but it look like he might get some rough competition from Rosealee, cause Rosealee run the internet right now. Now care when nobody wants say, you know what I mean? Make me know wanna think, make watch some more.
Don't say girl, tell me say, me can't go through
Look at the girl,
The funny guy man, he sick.
He tell me say, me can't go through blood clot airport. I'm gonna go through airport too much time.
One day, so look funny.
What you mean by me can't go through airport? Zuma, yes, a 10 points, okay, pussy big.
Yeah, Ivany. I leave me out of them thing, my friend.
You know see what go on the internet?
I woman mix up that man.
And then K now. Zuma get few one. Make it match.
No, someone now do that. Sister this. I'm a family.
Blame them.
When I say Zuma batty man, I say Zuma would turn up for mother man. So you can expect better. It's a batty boy that.
Be I'm send you another number you try to.
I be a skirt in where
who that?
Zuma in a female skirt. I'm weak.
And no more to come and remember.
When?
The regular day, I don't know when you always do it, skirt and wig. And you would have turned up for mother man. So I understand. Man, share have to be friend because you know them in the same cabana. But careless people, you know, yeah, carelessness are carelessness, you know.
You see a son pussy like dog.
Guys,
your mother suck with blame them.
If you give me cheese paper, me I think
Watching I would give me address, you know, if I look for me, if you go down from when, we can lose the asylum case. You know, God done yet. No matter cheese lose the asylum care. You don't know what she's still doing.
In just show one paper, and like the paper said. Yo, if people then tell him saying he's good on.
Ivany,
go suck out him and a batty man and move. You have to come down now. You have to come down, blood clot now. Every time you pick side.
I do. I'm to pick side with careless Shay.
I filter she have on. Filter she have on right there, sir.
I'm to pick side with thinking mode Shay.
Suck your mother blame them.
You can pick side with thinking mode Shay.
Suck your mother blame them.
No, so that man.
I filter she blood clot.
Suck your big pussy mother blame them. Can this shit pussy?
So Zumba, why you go on live go say that about your mother? You see everybody around with it now.
But see mama sister man.
Alright.
But see it man, boy.
Gonna see add cheese. Let me add the bitch. On my internet, me not leave. I feel me ground. I feel me ground. Hold on. I ain't feel hard. Hold on. Somebody send me one picture with Shay without the filter. Cause remember, Shay feel a pattern, you know.
What is bestie?
The girl over here, this young.
This who?
Remember her pussy did a leak for down here?
Yes, me remember she fought the cup near the pampers and her boom boom big, the man drop it in blow.
Remember send me the picture when the front a leak and put it up on my green screen cause we have them file, you know.
Yes, sister, one time man, let me pull up the next one.
And the things them,
Alright. Let me add it up. Blood clot, the big silent door. That girl look cute without filter. You that sister cute.
I mean, them listen
cute.
to me. If you look on the
picture without filter.
If you look on the picture with me without filter, not a thing.
You know.
Complexion, alright.
A 200 appearance, Shay. Member say a government you live in a 2 billion.
Hey, we know for me girl them run up and down in the best day.
Sister, best day you bring me and make the girl run gun.
So we know for me the girl them run up and down.
So if you call me, make the girl run.
Well, I know I did over one live with Kim King, K and Cheese. K people them block me. Kim King mute me for one live. Ride or die block me. Cheese block me. No me come shade jump gun. I be run up and down from
Barney.
You fit send for me. See me right here.
You know say I'm showing off your wire still, you know that?
She pussy wet all the time and I don't know honey wet, a leak wet. Let me ask you something, Zumba.
Yeah.
What people mean by when them say they not pay my rent?
Yo, what? You suck outside. Don't suck your mother. Suck your mother, girl. Don't suck your mother.
And I mean,
Don't suck you like that. Suck with Zuma. Lick up Batty Zuma. Big belly fuck
Me not
up.
even remember the Zuma there.
that's sweet.
Suck cocky lick up Batty Zuma.
People, I think me have a screen recording a Zuma cause cargo, you know. People, me say more find where cargo say about Zuma and put it two of them together and make you hear it because you no need to hear where cargo say. Cause cargo is a ranking man, you know. And I say something, you know what, me I go get it right now. Me I go try to find the cargo where cargo say. I think me have the where Zuma respond to cargo. So me I go put it right here, so right now me I go put it just so watch out my people. Make watch some more. My people, me I look for the video them and can't find them. But here I go on. Maybe before the video end, me I go find it. So me I go put it in at the like on the thumbnail or somewhere if I find it seen. But my people, cargo this Zuma, wicked and Zuma respond. Turbo say I'm gonna lick cargo in them face and whatever. You see me I say my people, anytime I see Zuma, no matter what I talk about, I have to laugh for people. I know I can't stop laugh about with Zuma. Go on with Pan Jeffrey interview. Jaja, tell me what you think. Me could get back in the Ivany situation, yeah.
Zuma, you take cocky like that. Come here, go like your blood clot at y'all.
Myself, I don't have any money to waste. Remember nobody sorry for me like how them sorry for you? Remember people sorry for you. All of them there. When me get for my baby, it's on my expense. I'm a baby for the expense. I have one friend to buy one blood clot swing, send come give me. Yeah. Me not compare with a registry girl like you and Rochelle. And Rochelle is a married woman we say I do. Una to the birds of a feather go always flock together. No girl can run up my blood pressure. You crazy? Run up for blood pressure. Hey girl, may I address the matter? Yeah, idiot. I can't run up blood pressure. Them a smaddy. Rochelle, come out and you talk like said Denier that fuck you. You think you're gonna get like a fuck from Denier. You know, you're a Denier say in single. The boy don't want you. 27-year-old big waller. Rochelle, pussy big like this. I say you're all big like this. Pussy clot. Rochelle, go sort out your all. You're there on the media. You're in everybody bagger. Now come in on my own. Me the worst blood clot one. All your sister she favor. Show me with this up everybody blood clot. I'm not call Rita them name, you know, cause Rita them a top girl, you know. Your sister feel like she just Lego for over 80. Yeah, your sister look like she just come from over 80 and she a get class too cause she did there laugh off of my picture. Yeah, none of them can look like me, a natural this, natural. Look at my beauty. This is my beauty. Yeah. One more, no need glasses if you see that. I'm not even having a cream or rub on my blood clad face. In a real life, I saw it I go stay. I'm not gonna stop come out looking like this because Uno can't do this and beat me. Come out no man, no chance. My real eyelash them, everything for me real. Nothing of them on my face. I'm winning.
Run far. If me dey on the screen, them clip, me not some of them still a go class me. They're not running. Them still is going to class me. I don't have to say anything to get class.
Make a see how you want to run, make a blow.
Me still a get class. So me must stay. Me still a get class. All me not say nothing. When you see that whole heap of time, all me not say nothing. Me not me get class. Me not moving. Me
come suck my pussy back way. Hey girl, me a go block you. Hey girl, go suck your mother, y'all follow me. Hey girl, why you no run? Why you no run? Hey girl, don't blood clot. Hey girl, go suck your mother. Go name out your mama when time enter. Sexy Kimi, me a go block you from over here too. Cause na shit in a plate, you know. Go suck your mama, you tell the girl for run for. Eh?
Me not run. Me get blamed for everything. Me and I'm a friend them, so I'm a follow.
Time when time you depend the blood clot me the dirty girl. The whole of we are come over here and a group up on me and I feel like saying you can come size up with me. No, the palm level. Cause you is a wife when them put ring by your finger and you come out you come put up registry you beg. Dirty girl, you see me I do that stinking girl as mash up as my blood clot me. As crackers as my blood clot me. Hey girl, you see me I do that? We are not the same. Come suck my pussy back with one la. It's a shout out here, look. All this moderator wanted them to dig up them dirty germs here and throw them in the dirt pan. Yeah. Me not have time for this. Me want can cuss. Me no want a penetrate to Uno. Me want the moderator come black and mute Uno. Me no want soon comment. But suck your mother. One la when I have the life. You know you die. Wanna come blood clap bout me. No come bout me cause me never come bout Uno. Yeah. Just know say what Uno come here so come do. Sky Diamond mate you follow me. All a black in your big hole. Me eat your name. Come down. No follow me. Come off here so. Blood clot. When you come here so come do Uno have 10 people out to come do that. Uno strong. And look on the face bright and no beg like all you want is a bowl and a blood clot dark glasses. Pity the poor blind woman. Hold on. I come beg you something. Yeah, that's my blood clot.
RT. So how Rochelle do? She did say something?
She not have to say nothing. This is a war. Pity the poor blind woman are begging you something, please.
That's
never see me. She's the black day, put on a glass and come and this come beg. Suck no mama. Oh, moderator them there. One girl a spam a chat about SYM come suck me back way. TikTok should have stay like Instagram. I can show you in a wall. In idea, yeah, dirty girl. Oh.
Look at sleep while we come chat. Wake me up.
Carrot leg, Rochelle, meet our match. Sure.
Wake me up when it done.
That girl and nobody. Watch you so could them flag me. I'm tired of them, you know, I can't use my platform in peace.
Then we go start over.
I'm not start over anything them depend and eat me depend. All you need is a dark glasses and a bowl hat. Pity the poor blind man, I beg you something, please. Cause suck on the mother. Me can size up with me. Only they've have nothing quality. Brother, only they've have a good cologne. The dearest cologne Ivany have on her dresser right now. And me get the belly Elish. Some people talk to them, the stinky dinky do they. Tell the truth. When you talk to them, the rotten blood clot that day. That girl just wants somebody to keep her relevant. And I acknowledge that and I tell my friends, say, right there, tap again with the girl. I not now go on feet. From where they nothing to a go on feet. Now care and see. And the only girl from the app go skin it out. Skin it out. Skin it out. And a beer dirt come out. And nothing at all after that. You understand? So you have to come back and yes or no. I come and make people life be a blood clot. Me say, hey girl, you can't turn me in a blood clot, man. And I ask that come up burn mad. And me go die mad. Yeah, so you couldn't do nothing to make a difference. You crazy? You mad? Hey, stinking old girl, go up on the pussy clock gynecologist. You want a GYN. Call one for let me call one for Ivan.
People, I wonder if you not look where me I look. Yo, how cheese chest a go on so? Nah man, cheese chest different. Big woman thing, me can't tap a look on it, but me I wonder how one up and one down. I walk one this up. Hey, boy, yo, them surgery are still in our people. Cha boy. Me don't know if a she push it up still or walk one, but it look away to me. You know what I mean? It look good and it no look, and it look good and it look like something wrong.
Hello, is this Mr. Dawson, the gynecologist? Yeah. So, can I make an appointment for a lady called Ivany, Janice, right? She's 26 years of age. Yeah. So she have a little fuck up scent. She have a little, like she pooping from her pussy. You know the little said the rotten poop, you know, sir. Not the little normal poop. I want rotten scent to come from she. Yeah. Well, I don't know much. He's a friend of mine. Once upon a time, not anymore. Yeah. So what can I do? I'm just making the appointment. Can you? All right, then check it, sir. Thank you. The man say my check him schedule. You're too much. I force you like a dead girl and carry go through in the blood clot car and put you at the sir. And put you at the gynecologist. We tired of you. We the people tired of you, Ivany. Well, me don't know about nobody, but me Treasy tired of you. Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay, yes. So what should I tell her to bring? Because she don't have any insurance.
Yeah. Girl, they ran me, never want to get rid of me.
Okay. Alright.
Me are doing Shifa.
So where me never know.
You know, so corruption full up here, that's how you look so.
Go suck your mama where you look
so bad, man.
Yes, sir. What date, sir?
Go suck your mama.
You're too corrupt, man. I want to. I ain't dirty girl shame.
9 o'clock.
I see your mama. You couldn't call no mama. Your mama dead girl.
Me are not getting enough clothes.
Never know that.
We're fryer.
Your mama go man.
Suck your mama to go a bad mind girl. Bad mind girl. Bad mind girl. Get me business about Jayden. My business about Jayden. They do all my business about Jayden. You think a Jayden give me strength? Jayden not there so. Me not care Jayden not there so. Me turn up on your girl. Girl, me turn up on your same way. And a Jayden badness this a mama rich badness.
I'm sit down little crooked blood clot girl. Budge bubble.
Look how Matty was shit more shake. Go here you figure sit down. Go here you crooked dirty girl.
Dirty thinking girl. What batty man fuck where your man from you bad? And a batty man I am yet.
No, because she tell me say man shake good brother.
Our cheese
don't other with me. Don't other. Think you winky girl with me. No other with me.
She run far.
The two
I want to turn up in a war. I want to run go. I want to run go.
Get no clout.
I want to run go. I'm afraid or not afraid. Jabba girl I'm afraid. The girl is afraid. The girl is afraid.
Nothing afraid, but you say look good, brother.
Can't matter with you no more. Me can't matter with she no more, chat. She love clout too much. Me can't matter with she. Me not who for afraid of blood clot. You somebody afraid of you? Yes, somebody for nobody afraid of? Then who could afraid of blood clot you?
Yeah, so move your blood clot.
Yeah, go let's say you're smarty.
Move your sachet. Move your sachet, you're somebody. You feel my life. You feel my life. Put it all together, then it make sense. Just put it together, then it make sense.
don't make no sense.
Birds and feathers flock together. Birds and feathers flock together. Two of them look good.
You're too
enough. Two of them look good.
You're too
What hard life? What hard life? Watch it too hard life then.
Yeah, live life.
Watch it too hard life.
Yeah, live life.
Hard life. Hard life.
Poor you.
Murder.
Poor you.
Put it one together and still tough. Watch
Poor you.
tough crackers.
Poor you.
Tough crackers.
Poor
Tough
you.
crackers. Tough crackers. Tough crackers. And look at you. Look at you, the greatest.
Kiki is supposed to win the argument with no female. Go one side. You're not going to listen to you. Yeah, all of them are Kiki. Kiki's a man for crying man, girl. The pussy shut up.
Cheese boy. You can't do nobody.
Kiki, go ahead.
A man take with this a girl, a man. When me argue with you,
She fucking break.
me not play no match with your hungry girl. Go look at work.
That's the girl in free. The girl in free. The two tough girl in free. The girl in tough like a back.
Oh, your motive that.
Uno tough.
Me not play no match. You come by your own play. You can't go play pretty friend. You not play no match.
You can't go look pretty friend. I told you know me done again. Me done you can't win. You can't win. You can't fear me. You 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 can't play with me. You cannot play with me. That's why you run like a wounded dog. Filter Dolly. Filter Dolly. Filter Dolly.
Why you tell me say you're shake good? Why you tell me say you're shake good?
I ever stay right here so come and not play the match because
you can't win. You're afraid of me. You're afraid of me, girl. Yard foul. Yard foul. Yard foul.
I'm not playing a match.
Yard foul. You and cheese run out. You and cheese no make a sense. You no make one.
I'm not playing no match.
Where? This a corruption here. You don't see the bad man them out. This a girl. That's why she looks so. We never wonder why she look like man a corruption.
Not
when she see a girl go get a strike, she don't want to play no match. When she realize a girl, you're not worried. Yes, me hungry.
Hungry.
Thank God she bring money make your body. You must see girl teeth bring money. That's why she could have go do body. Yes.
Hungry.
Yes.
I'm
nobody rate you on the app.
Hungry.
Nobody not rate you.
Hungry your best. Me no want nobody rate me. Me no seek validation, bitch.
Yeah, boss, then girl you waste of time.
Me no have no. Me no want
nobody rate me. Then girl you waste of time. Me better she go on. Yeah, boss, make the girl go on.
Go look at work.
John Cross him work here.
Go look at
Ibex.
Where you work?
John Cross Ibex right here so.
Where you work then?
Ibex right here so. Yeah.
TikTok work.
Yes.
Me rascal. You know no ambition.
Kiki, she having big work.
You know the blood clot here about Shay. Who care about Shay?
No ambition. Go look at
TikTok fee Shay. Shay just get a job other day. You go like a long time you have a job. You go like a long time a TikTok a feed the girl you just get a job.
Hold on. They have to switch my phone. I'm sure the TikTok no feed me so good girl.
So good girl run the match. Dirty girl run the match.
I'm a run the match. So good girl, go look work. Go
Drunk me there, me work place.
Me not run no match. You're too hungry.
Dude,
go look at work.
Nigga, calm down yourself, nigga. Watch her. Watch the man in her. Watch the man in her. Watch the man in her.
No match not play.
A first girl, me see run off the girl file and can't come back with a file.
Still no
pending. It's still blood clot the pan pending. PPP pending. Yeah, first girl, me see run off the girl file. Yeah, first girl, me see run off the girl file. And he can't upload. You can't upload a file now. PP pending. Pending away file. Dirty girl Shay. Big so cocky mo Shay. Lick over to Shay. Shay with the deep and wide hole. Shay with madman pussy. Man in a pampas.
Hey, my people. One thing with Kiki though, you know. He might sound slow, but you know, afraid to take on a girl, you know. Big woman thing, you know. Even afraid to take on nobody at all. He ready for war anytime, any place. You see me I say? As me say my people.
No broke.
Me have a mirror.
I'm still no broke.
A time out, me leper.
Not clock no tip on a girl over here.
I want
Get
to share.
your hungry belly friend them right now.
I want to share, cause.
Kiki.
Uni and Kiki again.
Stay bad, woman.
I come here and laugh and put on a play, on a slice now. I feel like some one of them now.
So every day one new creature come up and
I
don't look at name. There's no let me tell you if you come.
that's why I have to end up make NSC friend me not come and tell her something now.
Clap that. I don't chat to Shisha.
Clap that. But I not go for
You
nobody.
look good and can't buy one machine. Them want look
Just
good.
for clap, blood clap that. I don't chat to Shisha for clap that.
What's mad?
I sign in on my bank and tell her clap that. And I can show you one next account with the next one too. Tapings alone me can go in now.
I be a money over here. Blood clot. Me have got drive.
Blood clot lagging again.
Me have got drive bus to the MTA for
clap this now. Don't play with me. Don't put me Kiki. Don't play with me.
Kiki, you like take. Alright, come here.
So check 8 and 2 and tell me how much that you get. Don't play me stinking girl.
10,000. Come here.
No come here, boy. You can't clap no teeth on no girl. Move
right now, Kiki, you take a 200 out of that. Man,
come back, clot.
Right now, not tomorrow. No. Come like you want. Listen, I'm send you one thing.
Give me boo. Give me boo. You come here and tell me say Kiki rob me. Tell her to rub me with her account. Rubbing me just telling me words ain't gonna do nothing, boo. Rub me with her account. Me not broke. That ain't a rub. She can't rub me with her words. Tell her to rub me with her bank account. Suck your mama. Me no want hear nothing. Move. I know. No hungry like dog. No run for me. Come here. Every time she come, she look problem. She tell us that she want play a match. Go suck your mother, girl. You look problem with people and they want play a match. Go suck your mama, man. The man not playing a match with you.
That's why only have pretty much at class and then people give her so alone.
Give me on her size, bitch. Now I'm pretty me at you come and laugh and smile and I'm humble. Don't play with me. Me not hype. But you make me have to go far with you and really clock your blood clot tea.
Me nah.
But I don't know what heap time doing. I know what heap time.
Yes. So which way you do it from? Like which way? Just regular or
every way. Me love when they all let me head top.
all near face. Just still near face. Oh, I can't do that with my mouse and my head shining. So me not think me.
Yeah, better for you, grow here.
No. No, the man them broke out there. The man them really broke out.
TJ, when you asleep, it's when you asleep. And a girl does so, it like you asleep headway so. I'm sure. So you asleep headway so. And a girl just concealed in their face so it's a hell of a surprise that.
Yeah, it's a head of a
I think so.
It's a head of a surprise.
Me is frightened of my sleep, so that can't work out for me. Don't make them peer pressure. Yeah, I like the boy them try push me in a peer pressure.
Yo, they have one name popular. Me love that one day, bad.
Yeah?
One day tough.
How popular go?
Spinning in your face.
Jesus! Me never tried that one day yet. I forgot. Why?
All that.
You just sit on your face and spin. Dizzy, yo. Make you get dizzy.
Say now your neck not gonna twist. Your head not gonna twist.
No, man. Yeah, my neck firm.
No, man, TJ. It's for one to have a firm neck.
TJ, I'm sure what you need to do. Because you need to catch on. Get one look. Hold on, let me get one look. Show you. Hold on.
Him can't get one sort of there and take up with the tongue.
You need one look base, bro. Then hold on, let me show you. You need one of them base here.
Yeah, I make side up, I make.
One of this, you want one of them now. One of this, and you go full up you with. How you brush?
No, sometimes I like with the line
bro, stop with your skull. Yeah, brush your skull.
No, the wave, I like with the wave them, bro. Me have wave, bro.
Put on my cloth.
Aye. Love me.
Y'all get one of this. Full up your water and get one roll on. You know a roll on, we roll
ball, jump in it, and try use your tongue to take up it. Take up the ball with my tongue.
Yeah.
A technique, but you will learn one at a time.
My people, I want to tell me what you think in the comment section. First, let me say this. To each his own, a man can do whatever him feel like. You see me I say? But you can also do what you feel like but not promote it. Depends on what it is. You see me I say? It look to me like Jamaica lose its Jamaicanness. You understand me? I say, hey, I don't care what these gentlemen want to do, you know, my people. Them all to do what they want to do. But me I go show you something. No broke man no talk like this, you know. A pure rich man talk them type of way, you know, what them do, you know. Because them free a standard. You see me I say? Them free a sus and chat because them not in that circle there. Them have money. You see me I say? So you not go find a little broke man a talk them type of way, him get burn out, him get run away, him get cut off. You see me I say? But me I wonder if Jamaica are going to lose like its Jamaicanness and don't have that effect upon the world again with all of them something here, because we known to be different and not uphold with certain things. So me just want to tell me in the comment section. As me say, me don't have no problem with what them want to do, you know, but me just have a problem if Jamaica loses its Jamaicanness. You know what I mean? And if that is something where we need to worry about, tell me in the comments.
Him know already, Mook, him know already.
So that not tired out tongue. Fitness. Okay, you tell me say them all have Kitty, I show them something, I show them attack hour.
I don't know.
It's called fitness.
TJ, try it now. Go for it.
No.
Oh, okay.
My not there. My come. Dad, stop trying. I want to tell you.
Bomba! Y'all learn.
I mean, we're not married yet. That's what I say. We're not married yet.
Y'all learn, man, TJ, man. Y'all learn.
So no afraid video come out, we do not do that sitting there. I'm not afraid.
TJ.
Let's go. You don't want to do that. Man, you confess. Please, and stop. Play a hypocrite. Please.
TJ, let me tell you something. You talk it already. There's no way you can, when a video come out, them can bring you down. You know why? Because they don't talk it already. So they just confess for now.
Okay. Yo, you see, I don't know, you see him. You see him? Yo, even though you see you, I don't know, like, with you always have one, like, you know, you can talk, bro. No, nobody can beat you, you know. But just not understand, bro, you know, I'm not against it. So, you know, you're not against it. There are two better to do it in our own power with.
Thank you.
I'm not against it, bro. No, as long as a man and a fish, I'm good. But I don't know why them just want me. Out of everybody, them just want you to say me, bro. I don't know, like the spotlight just dip on me, just so I don't know why. And you want to hear they grow tall. No, man, you know, man, with my beard stay, I'm here to stay, bro. You know, man, I look smoother this way, yeah. I'm handsome. Handsome this way, bro.
What you say about handsome?
I'm handsome this way. Jayden, you can't get more girl than me, and I should be second.
Yo, stop tell that, man. Handsome a blood clot.
So what you try to say?
You're not handsome, my youth.
Jayden, you know, look at the skin look better than me, otherwise, sir.
Oh, clot. Little
how the bumbo clot this?
Man, Lord of world, brother. Lord of world, I mean handsome.
So what, lad? No, don't feel like you look better than me?
You feel Brit.
I want a conic still, I want a conic. I want a kind of conic for sure. I love all your confidence still.
Yeah.
Like that.
But TJ, I want to tell you something. Alright.
You don't have a look, you touch a little Billy now. No, little bit not ugly. You don't want to make little bit ugly, I treat my spaces teeth. I might teeth them lock up. It's not ugly. So Kitty, which other way that date? Kitty?
Why you want to put her on that spot?
Why you
want to put her on a spot? I have a woman, TJ.
Right.
No worry about that. No what Mr. We said there. Hypothetically speaking.
No, we can't
I won't date around.
Alright. Hold on.
Hypothetical. Where would it be? Hypothetical. Meaning not real. So Kitty can't answer.
She's not gonna answer. Boy, Kitty, you're flawless.
So we can no answer. Jayden look like Libby Jimmy Neutron.
I mean that. But Jimmy Neutron.
For true.
Jimmy Neutron only in front of that, so I'm not take up film character. TJ, if I say that word, I know you're not slow, you know. You see, I know you're not slow, you see. So I know what you're doing, I know what you're trying to do, you know. You want to look like you're slow and you're not doing it. I know you do it, TJ. You see.
Do it.
Yeah, I'm front, dog.
You see, alright, hold on. We don't want this go on screen record. You see all top banks? The man there. Is in there. Top banks.
Top banks?
No top banks you say him never do it.
One more clot.
Alright, get it. Which one we look like we do it more?
I'm a virgin, I know a lot about
it. Yeah, which one we out of me, Bookie, Jayden, which one we look like we do it more?
No, you can't use that and judge nobody.
No, come on. Make your answer.
TJ, you.
TJ, honestly, to me, I think you do it. You're just
Mr. do it more. Who let them do it more?
You, TJ. Why? You don't feel like you're not do anything cool, Maya.
I'm glad you know what I'm doing nothing. I'm so glad.
You see me money, you're going hell worse than dingy. You.
So what we could do like, me just not understand. What we could do want me look like?
You have the lips speed too, you know?
No, I regular lip them now. I regular lip them like Kitty.
You know, say if TJ did that one big old woman, he could have show up in whole head in there.
What?
Because remember, no, we have ear pan food head, you know, you see, so that go kind of feel away. But like how your head shine, you can just show up your head, whole of your head in there.
Boy, I want different type of freak in a Jayden, you know? You want different type of freak, dog. Bad freak. Man, I don't even know how the man even think about that. Like, oh, dog, how you just come up with that?
But you know, like how we there, so we ride down slow. Please. Come on, guys, come here, right? Make our money.
Clean girls, forget me. How this?
Like power top chat.
Leo, we can't have you right. Go on over there, so. We are talking about eating argument. Go on, you're under here. Go over there, so.
Guys, stop up
Alright, my people. So, as me say, tell me what you thinking in the comment section. And to all of the youths them out there, we see them type of big man talking here. Me say big man because normally I just some big old man we have them money, talk them type of way, but them a young boy I hold them money and them a do everything right now. Yes, what me I say, so me not want the little broke man them see them talking here and feel like it's okay for promote them thing here. Them a man here, them can wind up them car glass and buck them AC and drive past corner and chatty. You know how they bring down corner them and them with it. See? So you know, if you walk past them a place here and get ridiculed, disrespect, man call you all different type of name, that is not something you want to live with. So try not do this with them people you do. Wait till you have money up, then you do it here. Just some word of advice.
Power top
yeah. Come on, chat, guys, first double chat.
Guys,
Shy Boas.
Guys, use the first double.
Alright, Brawling Boas. Alright,
hold on, DJ, watch out.
This.
Suppose you get one 50,000 views. We just go to room and do a thing. What you think about that?
50,000 US?
Yeah.
That's the double.
Come on, no, bro. You don't know what we are talking about already.
Like one quick swipe?
Yeah. Bamed. May I beg you something? Put me in a ranking.
Jayden, you hear that?
What? I know me even answer anything.
You know me answer.
Me don't even say nothing at all.
Mr. TJ can act like he clueless sometimes, you see?
I don't answer there. Me try my...
I want could have possessed me for me pussy ring bruise up. No man, all me have is a slide it in. Slide in. Me have a slide in. Me have a slide in. Me not have no time to my dear. Me not have no time to that done. From about 29. Me at 36. Me not even think my title the last till 29. Me think you done when me at 27 or 25. When I get the date, I'll tell you back. So title will not look good for me, but me not dry out. But clotty, clot with blood clotty. But make you cuss all weekend and make you feel like you enjoy yourself. But tell us I'm going to put you back in your cage because you get too enough. You get too enough. You're a little puppy. Me's a bad blood clot dog. So when my back, me say rough. And I little rough way I deal with yourself. When my back, me say rough. Bitch, go back in your blood clot corner now. Because you don't clot nothing for me, bitch. No time at all. Because still one man fuck me. I'm not come over forget the biggest good part. Me I tell you a real blood clot reason make you eat the whole way over here. I eat blood clot in here. Y'all go like that way. I say God, you love that about God now sleep. Imagine that a blood clot Trinidad go make your mother make your eye down fuck. And in here come fuck in your mother bed. Isn't that karma? That you call karma. You carry the boy go Trinidad and you go eye down fuck your man at Trinidad. Right? And then in here just whap you back and fuck in your mother bed. Right? Rough as a blood clot bad dog. Clap that. We're done. Party over. Take up on the charge and go on. No girl. Who come man shame me when your own husband go fuck in your mother bed? That a karma. You come talk about blood clot karma. You come talk me not get no karma from your girl. No karma not take me upon this. The world knows that 10 was a fuck boy because me never hide it like you. Me never hide it like you. Every day I come upon this and come talk say blood clot a be a bun me get but me still love the boy. Remember I was never a blood clot capper. Never ever. But you didn't want people like your man. And now when your man gave back a blood clot teacher, you want people like him back. We're not gonna like back in here. We're not gonna like him that because you say so. All of a sudden you run out. You hype him up in the day. He's doing everything by us, Mr. Rachel. When she Malik, you come here to tell the truth, you know. You swear me never answer you. And you say you cuss me. Everybody says, Bonnie, hype you up and tell us that that's a win. You know when you lose, they say you win you are. When me say your body shape bad, because nobody never hear you over urban when your body shame me. But as soon as my body shame you, everybody run with it. But you know when you lose the war, because of Dinier, you come out, you come tell me. Dinier is a change man. A few moments later, we see Dinier. We see Dinier on the internet and say not married. He is a single blood clot man. I saw you lose back you are. Come remember some never answer your girl. I'm gonna make your cause. And the people them say, yeah, Russian is winning every blood clot boots. I'm say, yeah, Shanshan and Jamila them are cause me say me feel let you alone. Hear you. But so Dinier is such a change man. He's doing right by us. And you come back again, come tell lies. So you say I feel baby. I never feel baby them. You say he's doing right by us. A few moments later, I didn't hear blood clot that with headphone in her ears up here, Malapali with blood clot Spanish girl. Me dear, roof. Me done. Go suck your mother.
a bumbo clad mad.
The time out, sit down, record this. Remember say no girl to you. Remember say no girl to blood clot, sit down. Come on, see someone run up in my comment section and I go like no thing. Sit down, my friends, so I don't want to give me blood clot for coat girl. Where sit down, take on no man, come out her. Come in and know, oh, you have to hear me, I call up the woman name, so you're running on my blood clot comment section. I want to hear girl, if I put a blood clot this. I want to know, no, upon this, no real friendship. That's why I could have sent up my voice note and a girl feel like she can't betray me. One hungry blood clot girl, I'm sorry for. One sitting at the blood clot chat. Them know who you are? I done talk. Remember, I done blood clot talk. I mean, just big up what I was friend. From Kingston, Romina, Jesus Christ. Some don't understand what the people them do. Them feel like some don't know them name. What you do, what you did in my chat. You know, don't take our man a blood clot already. What you follow you up for. You don't take our man already. And the man nah hide. The man nah hide. Everybody got there, the man blood clot. They are not foreign live. Me don't know how to do it and the man a blood clot don't pay. Every post, my post like me see when you have man, you take girl man and man nah hide them face and them something there. Me now ask about the blood clot man again. Me dear. I'm want to like one sitting in the chat. Come in and know all the girl in my chat like some in a blood clot. Me don't know your girl. What? When I do that over here. When I do that over here, sister we say we have to have blood clot with business but me
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. More ask on this thing. When you feel like say K are the one, should I be the one because rushing about them thing about marriage or something. You know what I mean? Tell me in the comment section.
Girl, I some know someone in a style and I know learn from me, you know. Oh, my fear tag my friend and go put up blood clot, matey. We are you idiot, girl. You not do that. We don't want to see no matey. Fuck the matey. The matey know our blood clot self. And you can't be a matey when the man stop fuck you up. You don't learn them something there. You can't be a matey when the girl take away your man clean slate. You don't know a code. Tag which blood clot. You think me that put on my friend to tag a next girl for please, you know? You think me that put on my friend to tag a next girl? The girl have to bad and commenting on this make we clean her up. I saw we stand up for friend. Me and means we cuss right now. Any girl go for blood clot means. Me not business going up cussing on me and means just put on. Me a rub out girl for blood clot means. Same for my sister, same for Jamila, and same for Sita, same for blood clot. Anybody when me say I'm a friend. Oh, that's how me not know how someone do it. Cause when me stop chat to girl, me not want my friend them chat to them neither. But me can't tell a girl what for blood clot do. But me not really play about my one them. As much as all some of them chat, me say me are no good friend. Me not care, cause me not check you, you know. When I know no style. That's why I know I want to get style on the internet. I mean, I know how me and one girl feel cuss and girl style up my pity and me in a girl box. You mad? No time at all. I true mackerel is a last cast, you know. Mackerel could have do what she do me, you know. Mackerel go in her mirror every night and pray to be a pretty girl. So mackerel walk and tear down every pretty girl. I mean, understand. Just imagine. You feel like so somebody take one and say, you're going to be ugly for the rest of your life. And all you just click your foot them to transform. You're not transform. You know what Mackerel do? Mackerel just say, oh, my friend, be a pretty girl. And run up in them and try be them friend and tear them down. Me are third victim. Don't be our fourth. Me dear. Only thing to be me now. Me love sorry for disabled people. You see true they say my baby have one disability. As me see she come hear me. Jesus Christ. Me can't run her away. She disabled. Treat her good cause you don't want God seen you. Then the girl goes, I'm going to fuck up your blood clot. The girl say, me may be disabled looking, but me I go fuck you up. And she fuck me without lube. Oh, Mackerel fuck me without lube. Anytime you're ready, baby. Look at my best friend right. twist I make when God does off. Oh, you come up here, say you know say I'm out to Meals, don't comment again. Meals, me talk to you. Meals, oh you say God does off for mackerel. I know say bad to bad out I whole TikTok and she alone God does off one for sure. I want a wicked piece of statement they just making a Meals. Never sorry for your girl uglier than you. I want you to learn that too. If you don't learn nothing from me and my situation, never sorry for your girl uglier than you. Am I right? Say yes. Never you're sorry for your girl we're uglier than you. That me learn. If you're a pretty girl, only a pretty girlfriend. This is not like foreign. When I say disabled people who really need help, never you sorry for your girl uglier than you. Because you have to remember so they always have a bad mind because you're nicer than them. And one thing me want blood clot no. When 10 pints say, hold on there. Come me want remember I know. Hold on there guys, let me try it for me. Hold on there. Over here, so. Yes, sir.
I want to clear the air, also.
I wouldn't want to clear the air,
I take accountability for what I said, because I'm big fucker. You hear that? I'm sorry. Zippery. No joke. So somebody tell Twisty Eye. Powerpuff Girls, Auntie-Pig, Peppa Pig, and Sister Pig.
Alright. Who is Auntie-Pig? Who is Sister Pig? We're going to do it one at a time. Come, class. Gather your pens and papers. So we get to find out.
Thank you, babe. Come. Go get it. Yeah, so hear me now. Rose, you could have expect say your shape like one carton box to blood clot and people. Let me tell you something good. Are you delusional people alone in your life feel like you are something? You is nothing a blood clot and not a fucking thing you be. You don't be nothing more than the biggest chaka is keyless, worthless, dirty blood clot mother. We are finger people in them body hole. Me could have make you put your hand in my body hole. Me could have make you do no kind of freakiness to blood clot me. Me could have put my blood clot head underneath your big stink sour blood clot pussy. You must see a blood clot idiot. No matter how you are gonna say you freak out, Drake say you freak out, nobody will ever believe you. Nobody. And they could have said blood clot Drake's freaky till the morning. No one will ever blood clot believe so nobody.